So you want to create this card effect in PowerPoint. Start by heading up to Shapes and create a rounded rectangle. Make it roughly the shape of a card and adjust the corner radius to make the edges smaller. Next, in Shape format, remove the outline and change the fill color to whatever you like. Now, create a text box and type the text you want on your card. You can lay it out however you want. Here's how I'm doing mine. Once you're happy with it, select everything, right-click, and under Group, click Group. Now duplicate the card and change the text. Also, switch up the color so each card looks different. Repeat this for however many cards you want. When you're done, start stacking the cards on top of each other. Begin with the fourth card, place it into position and send it to the back. Rotate each card slightly for that nice layered look. If a card isn't showing on top, just right-click and bring to front. Now select all the cards and in Shape format, open the Format pane. Go to Shape Options, expand Shadow, and under Presets, choose the one that fits best. Next, head to the Transitions tab and apply the Morph transition. Duplicate your slide and on the second slide, spread the cards out so you can see them all. That's what you should have now. If you want the cards to slide into the presentation, duplicate the first slide again. Go to that first slide, select all the cards and move them above the slide. Now stagger them out a little like this. And there you have it. If you want to download this exact presentation, head to my website. You can download it for free.